the mad scientist on late night TV. He's got all these bubbly things going all along. Somebody's got to make all that apparatus. And so that's what I do, is I make that apparatus for the mad scientist.
Probably I am the mad scientist, yes. We work on a pretty crazy technology. We're using hydrogen to make food out of it. A food that you can eat without feeling guilty about destroying the environment. We're working with hydrogen here, and hydrogen is a highly flammable and explosive gas. So we had to do everything made from glass. So we got this base set up from a glass manufacturer, and then Sally helped us to customize it. Here you can see some of the work that Sally did for us.
A lot of items cannot be done by machine. So here we made specific, lengths, specific amount of coils for the researcher. This is what they designed, and this is what we made for them. We have a semester-long class where students, they learn scientific apparatus.
All right. Woo-hoo! All right. You want to watch how that's expanding.
They struggle with that, but we also have a little bit of fun at the end of each day so that they don't get too frustrated. In the older days, every university had a scientific glassblower. When I learned, I started in junior high, and I apprenticed junior high through high school, and then I went to college. There's a place in Germany, a place in France, and there's a place in southern New Jersey. And the place in southern New Jersey is the only place in America where you can get a scientific glassblowing technology degree. Every time we lose somebody, we're losing knowledge. I worry about what's going to happen when I retire. Those kind of things. I'm 68, so hey. And we just need to somehow carry it on.